Hi everyone. How is your day? Hopefully you all are doing well. Today I am so delighted as I have got a golden chance to introduce myself in front of you. Hi. My name is Angelina. I am 23 years old. I belong to a small village, St. Peter's Colony. I am currently a student at Capital University Columbus. First of all, I would like to tell you about my academic career. When I was 2 years old, the school in which I was admitted was Angel Public School. In this school, I studied LKG, UKG, and 5th Standard. Then I got admission in a government school named St. Mary's High School, from where I studied 10th and 12th. Then I took admission in Capital University Columbus in 2017, where I am currently pursuing BA in English, and now I am in the final year of my BA program. Now I am going to talk about my family. There are 7 members in my family: father, mother, 2 brothers and 3 sisters. My father works in construction and also invests in real estate. As for my mother, she is a homemaker, staying at home. My elder brother is a civil engineer and associated with a government housing society. The second brother is a software engineer. He is also an ethical hacker and he works with an intelligence agency. And as for us 3 sisters, we all are studying now. I am pursuing a BA in English. My younger sister is in class 12th and the youngest sister is in 10th. Both my younger sisters want to become doctors. Now I would like to tell you about my likings and dislikings. I love reading novels and stories. I love listening to songs. I have a good collection of songs. In sports, I like tennis and I myself play tennis. And as for food, I love home-cooked food. I don't like restaurant food. I avoid eating junk food. I like non-veg and also like ice cream a lot. I like smart, intelligent and well-mannered people who also know how to speak politely, otherwise I avoid talking to anyone. Now I am going to talk about my hobbies. My hobbies are jogging in the park early in the morning, doing yoga on a daily basis, playing tennis, listening to songs and reading books. Now coming to my goal, as far as future ambitions are concerned, I want to become a professor in a university because I love to read, write and study. I want to contribute to my society by educating it through social work. That's why I want to become a professor. Dear friends, it's all about myself. Thanks for listening to me very attentively. Let's see in the next video. Thanks for watching.